In this video, we will cover how to create your first Shopify product and published listing on your Shopify website. So let's navigate over from home over to products, plus add product. And from here, I have some information here, a sample listing that I'm going to just copy paste. I've got the title, so this is going to be a wireless mouse. I've got the description text over here. And I've got the photo already available. Notice that Shopify automatically detects the best product category. My price is going to be $19.99, and my discounted price is going to be $15.99, so that's a $4 discount. We're going to track quantity. We're going to add two variants, namely color. So we have a blue mouse and a red mouse. And let's make sure to add the SKUs. MEZ blue, MEZ red. Okay. And over here you have the option of adding thumbnails as well. So images with the correct color of the item. Now in this case, I don't have those availably ready, so I will omit these for now. And at the bottom, if you want to mess around a little bit with the SEO, you can certainly do that. I'll just leave the default that Shopify created for me. Okay, so congratulations, you added your first product, and let's go ahead and view the product itself. So let's go onto our online store. You can view over here. And under here, so here it is. Okay, so it's telling me that the item is sold out. So let's go ahead and update the inventory numbers, and I can just make these 10. Click on save, and I'll refresh this listing. And now here we go. So I can add a red or a blue, and I can select two, add to cart, and there we go. You've just successfully created your first listing on Shopify.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.